LG LG حاليا ما خسع وكحنا LG LG ورا LG كعنا سوكع كبس وحدنا وانتقنا دكان قبلنا وقت ما يسنا ايوه يسوي I was expecting many things in South Africa, many changes. I was expecting that I'll get a good education in terms of health, security. I thought if South Africa is more savior than Somalia. But I see Somalia and South Africa is same. Hello guys. There is a regime called Al-Shabaab where they will force you to do something, to follow their rules. If you don't do it, they will easily kill you. They like always to recruit the young boys. That's why first I left Somalia. The situation hasn't improved. The Al-Shabaabs now, they need more people, to be on their side. By hook and crook, they need people to recruit.
We dare you to click the subscribe button and the notification button as well. Now, we dare you.
Okay. 500 gram. We are always here inside our shop. We don't go out. We don't participate anything or activity or what. We don't have friends. In the night, on weekends, we don't sleep well. They throw something, stones on us. Some of them, they shout our names. I see if I'm in another world, underground. The locals, they don't know about, the refugee. They don't know. They see us if we took their country, but we are not. We are here for just to save our lives.
You see people, why they are against for foreigners? It's just because I'm doing my main business. If the foreigners, they go there, they charge the people for less price. So I can't find job because I'm a citizen. When the foreigner, they get money here in South Africa, they go into their country, they change that money. It's gonna be double.
Even before it was better because we don't have this running waters, because it's not too much. We're not too much. It is a few shacks like. Now it's full of people. Sometimes they're making the strikes, crying for all those things, the houses, the water, electricity. When they make the strike, they kill some peoples, It's that problem.
The demonstration, it seems as if it was a peaceful one, but there was other guys or thugs who were inside, the demonstration, and started, things to be an ugly way. They attacked us. They burned 2 shops around, and they looted the other about 11 shops, including mine. Then the police, they tried to intervene, but the demonstration was larger than the police. They stopped me here. They shoot one of my workmates. You can't predict, when the xenophobia will happen, or any time xenophobia it can happen. So life is very complicated and hectic. I like to go back one day, but currently I don't think so, because my family back home, they are in need of my help. My brothers are like my children now. I'm the one who is supporting them. Education, food, everything. Maybe when they are dependent on themselves, I can do what I want. Sometimes you find you are sick or what, and you don't know what's your problem, because moral, you are dead. Always you are in a defense, maybe as if you are waiting someone is coming to you or to kill you or maybe to harm you, or maybe you might lose your things or your goods. We're scared. We're scared. Always as if we are in a battle, front line. I don't see if I have a future in South Africa, because I will end up in maybe finishing my life like this, in a mess. My brothers, all my workmates, I see them dying every day, not having anyone even to talk about them. Today maybe I'm fine, but the next person maybe it's me.